Hi lads and ladettes, Dunk here from Dunk's Money. I'm Dunk and I love money. This is not a money related video, but just a quick one to hopefully help you out if you've got the same problem I've had. If you own a HUAWEI phone, as I do, for some reason I kept getting the storage thing popping up and it kept saying that I'm running out of storage. I only had 1 GB left and I set up a cloud, I got an SD card, I did all these things to try and boost my storage and still it was popping up and it was driving me absolutely insane because I was recording videos and on the phone and it wouldn't allow me, it was cutting out halfway through and I thought, what on earth is going on here? So I want to share this with you so you know how you can hopefully sort it out if you're getting the same problem. What I didn't realise until I discovered it today is that if you go into your HUAWEI phone, into the gallery, there's a bit more albums recently deleted. So go into your more albums and there's a folder recently deleted in there. I went in there and I had over 900 images and videos which I had deleted previously that were still sitting in there in case I wanted to keep them. I deleted them. Why would I want to keep them? Anyway, I went through this folder, selected all, deleted all that stuff. It was all old stuff, deleted it all. And the next thing I know, I've got 12 extra gigabytes of storage now and I've sorted the issue. So yeah, just to save you the hassle, if you're filming or making vlogs, if you're having a problem with a HUAWEI phone, the storage, just double check that as well. Don't cut out like I was and spending all that time wasted. Go into your more albums, recently deleted, and just check that all that stuff's off there. Hope that helped. If not, then sorry, you'll need to try something else. But all the best, and out to enjoy the sun now and do a 5 kilometre jog. Great fun.